Hi guys, Fred Zint here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Arctic Fox 990. Come on inside, I'm going to show you the features. When you come in the back, you got your Fox landing, which gives you 4 extra steps. You got your Cummins generator right here. This has one slide out. You have your side-by-side dinette that folds down into a bed. You got full extending drawers, and then one little compartment for storage. You got your 2-door Northwood refrigerator with a freezer. Got a little bit of storage here. Up here in the bedroom, you got your drawers, your cupboards on each side of the bed. 32-inch TV. Little storage underneath the bed. You have a stainless steel deep sink. And then you got cupboards above for storage, plates. Got your 3-burner stove. Your oven. Nice little microwave. It's got a fan, hood combo, and then you got your full extending drawers and a cupboard for a trash can. Got a slide-out pantry, and then you got some more storage underneath here. This is the wet bath option. It's all in one. You got your fantastic fan. Come on outside and we'll show you the rest. Got 2 7.5-gallon propane tanks. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Arctic Fox 990, give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.